Hi all. My name is Sunita and I cleared CPC exam on June 2nd with 73%. All thanks to Mubina ma'am and her team of faculties at Indus Education. Initially, I was skeptical about writing the exam because I'm a non-life science student and it has been a while since I graduated from the college. So keeping myself motivated and getting back to studying was a difficult task, but it was all made possible because of the constant support and guidance from Surya ma'am at Indus Education. I joined CPC classes in the end of 2022 and wrote the exam in 23. There were some changes in the CPT portion of the exam, which was updated by Surya ma'am before taking the exam. Um, Also, the anatomy, ICD, and CPT classes were very learner friendly, and there were a lot of practice exercises, which makes the concepts very clear, and also especially for non-life science students. So. Besides this, there were a lot of mock exams which were supplied by Indus Education before taking the exam. So those exercises were very helpful in clearing the exam. So the whole process was molded in such a way that you will be successful in the end. So all thanks to Indus Education and Mubina ma'am and her team. Thank you.